distracted listening to the statistics on my left-hand side from Dr. Kelkar. First of all, I think everybody is here for a reason. सब यहाँ किसी वजह से आए हुए हैं इस particular cause को support करने के लिए. तो I know for a fact that all of these people probably on stage जितने भी हैं यहाँ पे have had a lot of personal experience with sudden cardiac arrest. और मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि so have I. And I'll give you a small example. I had a friend of mine who was 28 years old. He had just got married, and his wife just found out that she was pregnant. And I think she was about a month pregnant at that point of time. So she had किसी को बताया नहीं था उन्होंने और रात को जो भी है बताया उनको एक दूसरे से बात की and they went to sleep. In the morning at about 2:30 in the morning she heard a thud in the bathroom and she woke up and her husband had died of sudden cardiac arrest. He had just fallen down and died of sudden cardiac arrest at home. There was nothing that she could do. कुछ नहीं कर सकती थी उस वक्त. उसको समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या करूं. भाग के उसने फोन किया सबको या जो भी है. You call up. First thing you do is you call up whoever you have to and whatever. And unfortunately or fortunately life takes that much time to get everybody together or to get medical attention to you. And I remember thinking till today I feel what a waste. What an enormous waste of such a talented man. And he was very intelligent, talented, great sense of humor. And suddenly I was walking on a set and somebody mentioned it. I didn't even know about it actually. It happened and like 24 hours later somebody mentioned it on a set. Hey, have you heard that this one is expired? And it was one of those utterly shocking things that I remember it till today. I've just sat down and I've just howled and howled and howled and howled and howled. I've cried for I couldn't stop crying for a good half an hour. It didn't matter who was around me at that point of time. And I remember it so clearly till today. So about a year and a half ago, when Dr. Yash Lokhandwala spoke to me about this particular initiative, I was like, okay, I totally agree with you. और मेरे घर में मैं अपने सास और ससुर के साथ रहती हूँ. मेरी माँ, I think my mother has just celebrated her 75th birthday, touch wood. And so I have a lot of experience with the fact that बीमार पड़ते रहते हैं लोग, ज़रूरत पड़ती है काफ़ी चीज़ों की, हॉस्पिटल की, डॉक्टर्स की. But most importantly, I think what it brings home to you is that you need at least one person in every family to have that kind of training, to be CPR trained. I think it is very, very important. बहुत ज़रूरी है. इतना मुश्किल भी नहीं है. मुझे लगता है कि आपको जैसे कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर की सर्टिफिकेट की ज़रूरत नहीं है. और अगर हम किसी चीज़ की बात करें, 1 घंटे की बात है, तो I think that's something that's an awareness that we can definitely spread to. I'm hoping when I speak to the media as well that they will all take this as the headline, that it is something preventable and we should all work towards it. Thank you.